Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Revolut Business API, a powerful tool designed to streamline financial operations for businesses. The Revolut Business API is an application programming interface that allows developers to access and manage Revolut business account features, enabling seamless integration with existing systems and applications. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts behind the Revolut Business API. The API provides a set of endpoints that allow developers to perform various tasks, such as creating and managing accounts, sending and receiving payments, and retrieving transaction history. This enables businesses to automate financial processes, reduce manual errors, and increase efficiency. One of the primary benefits of the Revolut Business API is its ability to facilitate real-time payment processing. By integrating the API with their systems, businesses can send and receive payments instantly, regardless of the recipient's location or currency. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate globally, as it eliminates the need for manual currency conversions and reduces the risk of payment errors. Practical examples of using the Revolut Business API include integrating it with accounting software to automate expense tracking and invoicing, or using it to power e-commerce platforms and facilitate online payments. The API can also be used to build custom applications, such as expense management tools or payment gateways, that cater to specific business needs. To ensure successful integration, it is crucial to follow best practices when working with the Revolut Business API. This includes handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing robust security measures to protect sensitive data, and monitoring API performance to optimize system efficiency. Additionally, businesses should ensure compliance with relevant regulations, such as anti-money laundering and know your customer laws. In conclusion, the Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that can help businesses streamline their financial operations and improve efficiency. By understanding the key concepts, practical applications, and best practices, developers can unlock the full potential of the API and build customized solutions that meet specific business needs. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, the Revolut Business API can help you simplify financial management and drive business growth.